Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Sam deposited an amount in bank which gives 20% simple interest. If he gets $60,000 after 10 years, then we have to find the amount deposited by him was what dollar. So it is given in the question that the rate of interest is 20% and the amount is $60,000 and the time for this amount is 10 years. Now we know that we calculate simple interest by multiplying principal by rate of interest with time. So here amount is equal to principal plus the simple interest. So how do we write simple interest? As I have told you earlier, principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time. So from here we can get amount as P multiplied by 1 plus RT, and from here we'll get the value of principal as amount divided by 1 plus rate of interest multiplied by the time. Now let us substitute all the value because we know already all the values. So amount is $60,000. Now 1 plus rate of interest is 20% and the time is 10 years. So if we simplify it, we'll get 60,000 divided by 1 plus 2, we can say it is 3. So finally the principal value will be equal to $20,000. So this is the principal value that we have to find out.